you all. So this is your investigation kit to use for studying all kinds of activities about trout. You guys ready to see what's inside? I'm gonna take everything out. So, got a bendy straw, a little container of lentils, a die, 5 flattened marbles, a beaker. If you're not familiar with what a beaker is, it's kind of like a scientist's measuring cup. So there are measurements on the side to measure out your different ingredients. Nice face mask about Clark County and Blandy. A bag that has some little paper food cards and a piece of yarn. What else? Little pint container. Bag of gravel. Bag of sand. And some clay. So, that's what's in your bag. Let's see what we're gonna do next.
Hey, I'm Lil, and now that we've unpacked all of these exciting materials, let's sort them to help us figure out what we're going to be using for each activity. You do need to add some of your own stuff. You need to have some water, about as much as you would drink at dinner time. It could be in any container. You need a spoon, and you need a container to put things in. Any empty container will do. So, for our trout journey, you're going to need this container, your spoon, your dice, and your cup of lentils. For the sediment experiment, you're going to need your pint container, your beaker, your 5 flattened marbles. These are going to represent trout eggs. And your straw, and your 3 bags of sediment. Gravel, sand, and clay. For your trout food web activity, you're going to need your bag with the yarn and the food cards. There'll be some digital things you need as well. And this is just yours to keep. We thought you might like it.